So I'm gonna have to wait for viewers to join. This is the Freedom 251 smartphone. You're watching Digit live, and this is the final variant of the Freedom 251 smartphone. It is going to be delivered from tomorrow. The company is using a lucky draw model in order to sell this to people rather. So they are saying they have 2 lakh units ordered, and they're going to deliver the first 5,000 right now. And they're going to use a lucky draw model to determine who gets it first and who gets it later. Currently, the emphasis is on UP, according to Ringing Bells. They also said that they're going to launch a TV. They showed us the TV. Unfortunately, we don't have anything on the TV at the moment. But this is the 251 Freedom 251 smartphone. It has a 4-inch QHD display. That is not the capital Q. That's not a 2K display. This is the 540p display. It has a 1450 mAh battery, and it has a 3.2 megapixel camera according to Ringing Bells. But when I open the camera app, surprisingly I see only a 2 megapixel camera. It is of course slow, and that is something that is expected. But if I go into the camera app, you can see the picture size is 2 megapixels. I can't go beyond this. The picture size is 2 megapixels. So that, I think that's a mistake in the specification sheet. But hey, let's figure out what happens later. It has of course a plastic body. You can see this etched back design. It is pretty dust attractive. It gets a lot of dust. Which company it really belongs to under the hood, says Joseph. So Joseph, they are actually refusing to tell us who the manufacturers are. We asked often, we asked a lot of times, but they're saying they are not going to reveal the manufacturers. Abhijit Banerjee, this phone will cost 251 rupees. It's the Freedom 251, but you'll have to pay 40 rupees courier charges on top of that. So essentially it is the Freedom 291. Asif, too early to tell you about battery performance. I just got the phone in hand. What I can tell you is that the display is really reflective and not bright, and that is something that is expected. The touch performance is also not very good, and it is of course quite laggy. It's got a quad-core processor inside though. Reliance Mobile says 250 price, now it's 251. Bala Sriharan, yes it is. This is the final variant. It will start shipping from tomorrow to people who registered, and they are using a lucky draw model to determine who gets it first. So Sai, that's a good question. They're actually going to sell 5,000 units at first, and then they say that they've got 2 lakh units ordered, and they have got those 2 lakh units, and they will be delivering all of those, and there will be more later. Akshay, there is no booking date right now. This is going to be delivered to the people who booked first. And Asif, no, this is not a 4G smartphone. This is a 3G smartphone. Will the earlier registered customers be delivered? Yes, Arun, this phone will be delivered to the customers who registered earlier. It will, they're actually using a lucky draw model to choose who gets it first, and it is fair play for 251. Yes, considering the price, you really can't really, criticize this phone on performance and things like that. Amarnath, they will be delivering it right to your address that you have provided, but it might take some time. They have currently they're going to deliver 5,000 units, and they're going to go ahead from there with 2 lakh units in the bank. Yes, Prashil, actually that's exactly what Ringing Bell says, that it's any kid can buy this phone because it's got 251. Bharat Kumar will be available in black and white colors at the moment. I'm not sure whether there will be more colors. Gurpinder, the camera, like I said, is pretty ordinary, which is expected, and they're saying it's a 3 megapixel camera, but honestly where I see in the settings here, it shows only a 2 megapixel. I'm not sure whether you can see it on the display, but 2 megapixel is the max I can go to. It doesn't let me scroll beyond that. As far as the quality is concerned, it is pretty ordinary, which is expected from this kind of a smartphone. But then again, you can't really criticize at this price. It runs on Android Marshmallow, Android Lollipop, Android 5.1. That is, you can see the Android version here. It runs on Android Lollipop, and no, the touch is pretty hard to use. Saurabh, you're right. The touch response is definitely not good, and it of course does not have Gorilla Glass and things like that. Abhilash, like I said, it's got Android 5.1 Lollipop, and Tanmay, this phone will cost 251 rupees. You'll have to pay a 40 rupees courier charge on top of that, so essentially 291 rupees. Sanjeev, yeah, I wish Apple iPhone would fall because of this. I really don't think so. This has been a first look at the Freedom 251. If you have more questions, please do keep them coming at right now. Play the audio. I can't really play the audio right now, Sudhir, because this is just a demo unit. I have no audio stuff on it, so I can't really play the audio for you right now. But don't worry, we will be getting this for testing soon, and we will do all of that later. Yes, Majid, there will also be a drop test hopefully. Karan Zala, you can't register for it right now, but those who have registered will get it delivered very soon. Saurabh Bangay says, can we book it now? No, you can't, Saurabh. Vikas, I'm sorry, I can't comment on the speaker at the moment because this is a demo unit and I don't have any music tracks to play. Gaurav, I think the update for Android 6 is a far-fetched idea, but hey, you never know what they will do. They haven't confirmed or denied it at the moment. Kabhi nahi milega. Even with this spec, they are incurring loss of over 1,000, hence can't expect it to go on for long. Yes, Saurabh, they have actually confirmed that this phone, to them, it costs them 1,100 to 1,200 rupees to buy, and they are selling it at a loss. But according to Ringing Bells, their other products are making up for that loss at the moment. What is the size of the internal storage? That's a good question. Let me check. It's supposed to have 8 GB of storage, but let's go ahead and check the storage here. Yeah, so the phone has 1.2 GB of usable space, and currently there's 1.04 GB available. You can see there are a lot of pre-installed apps on this. For example, there's supposed to be Hike installed on this, although I can't find Hike at the moment, and they've said that they will have a lot of other apps that are going to be pre-installed on this phone. That's part of their business model. Arvind, it has 1 GB of RAM and it will come with good Arjun, the warranty is 1 year, but the phone will come with a 30-day guarantee. So in case you have some problems in the first 30 days, you can get it replaced for a new 251. No, Bhaskar, it is not fast and zippy at all, but something you expect at this price. No, you can't really go to the market and buy this. No, you can't go to the market and buy this right now. Play any ringtone, says, okay, if you think that gives you an idea, I am going to play a ringtone, but honestly that is not a very good way to check. Okay, let's see. Wow, I don't see any ringtones in this. Let's see. Go to settings, phone ringtone. Okay, here you go. I'm outside, so I'm not sure how much you will be able to hear. That is a ringtone playing. I'm hoping you guys can hear this. So I hope that gives you some idea. Shriram, the people who have registered already will get the phone very soon, and it will come with 1 year warranty. The camera is pretty much mediocre. Vijayan Thiram Subramaniam, that it's pretty much